everybody, and welcome to the channel. And in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this for the L and M prompt in our A to Z January prompts. This is a combination of layered lace and mixed media. So we've got the layers of lace, and then we've got the Nuvo Drops and the button and paper and lace for our mixed media. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you exactly how this was made. Okay guys, in today's video we are doing layered lace and mixed media, L and M. Alright, so they're one and the same. Layered lace, we're definitely just going to layer some different laces and trims, and we're going to embellish another belly band. Okay, so L and M, layered laces. So we got, and here's what I did. I took two pieces of this and I put the paper in between them, sandwiched it in between them to give us this image. Okay, and we are going to embellish around it. The first thing we're going to do, and this is that, I don't know, raffia? I guess it's raffia, but it's like a real thin trim. It's really cool. We are going to glue it down here, and we're just going to do exactly what it says to do, and we are going to layer this, and this will become a belly band. I just got to remember to keep in focus here. I have ordered a new camera. This one is about seen its last days as far as its usefulness to me. I'm going to hang on to it in case, you know, something happens with the new one, but for the record, this one is about ready to be retired. I got one that I can zoom, which is nice. Okay, so we're going to layer this up here and glue it down. And then I may want to put a little glue here. Keep that from raising up. And here. There. And there. Just so it's got a little definition to it. See? Okay, and we'll push that down. So there we go. These are my kind of greens, let me tell you. I love these colors. All right, so then we're going to take a different type of lace, and we're going to put it right along the edge, or down the, probably down the center of that one. Don't see much of this anymore, do we? Let's spread this out a bit. Let's spread that out a bit so we can see more of it. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, we'll do it this way. All right. So when I come back, I will complete this with the next step. So just stay with me. See, that is so cool. All right. So I'll be right back. For you, it'll be seconds. For me, it'll be about 20 minutes. See you in just. All right, guys. So I got the lace on, and I spread out that trim there a little bit so it would be more noticeable. And then I'm still trying to decide what I want to do over here. I don't know if I want to put more lace, because I could do a strip of the gray, which I think might look good. I think that gray might look good, because remember, we are creating a belly band. Or I could just put one of those by itself and make it look a little more cohesive, see? I could put another strip of this. I don't want it too heavy though. So I actually think I might like the gray. I don't know. Or maybe I do want to do that again. I don't know. Let's try and see how the rosette's going to look. I tried my hand at these the other day, and well, let's just say it wasn't my greatest invention. I don't know if that's going to be long enough. I may have to make two. Yeah, I may do that off camera. This stuff is really kind of fiddly. Maybe I could just do a little fan. And put a button on it. Nope, I think I'm going to have to do the rosette, but I'm going to make that out of something different. I could do a little cluster. I could do a cluster. Okay, but I still have to resolve this side issue, and I'm thinking maybe I just want to do something like this. Something like that, and then we don't have to worry about yeah, we'll do something like this. And then I guess we'll put that other lace on top of it. I just don't know. I mean, I don't think it matters as long as it looks okay, right? Oh, I know what I'll put in that center. I definitely know what we can put in that center. Right now I just want to get the lace on, or the trim. Get the trim. And then we can put that lace on there, I suppose. But I do have an idea. Stay with me, guys, for the idea. All right, we'll put our piece of lace back down this side, and then we'll keep moving, just like that. Yeah, I think that's kind of cool myself. It'll look really good once I get it on a page. We'll demonstrate, right? And then for the middle, I'll do some layered lace. And I think it'll look pretty cool. Actually, we'll put this right here. Okay, guys? So tell me what you think. would you do? How would you do it? And so you can go in any theme, but I wanted to use up some of that raffia or whatever you want to call it. I'm not sure, but it works. It's looking good so far in the journal. And I got it. I got like a box of stuff from the yard sale, right? And it was in there as part of the buy, and then I was like, I'll never use those, and then look, here I am. I'm using them. All right, so there we got that. Now we just need to work on this piece, and we got our layered lace. This will get cut when we piece it into the book. Okay, not worried about that. And I may actually later on get into my sewing machine and sew something down there, but today, not on this one. I have these are called stone drops, okay, and they're gonna go here. We're gonna go one, we'll go every other one. If we don't like it, then we can go every one. Isn't that cool? I know it's hard to see. Like I said, I have ordered a camera with zoom, so that may help. I know what I'll do. I'll go in between these with another color. I don't know, should I go black, tan, silver? There we go. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Boy, did that change it up. We still got to work on the center, but I will do that off camera. I just wanted to get the basics down. Look at that. So when those dry, they look like stones. And then I'll make a little something for right there. But I got to let my stones dry. And I think I want to go in with the tan. I think that might be good. We're going to find out. Let's find out, guys. Oh, yeah. This looks really good. Hey, I'm pretty proud of myself. I need to know what you guys think in the comments, okay? Oh, perfect. I like this. I like this, actually, a lot. Boy, did that dress it up. Now I'm going to go find my buttons, and I'll show you basically what I'm going to do. Sorta. I'm going to glue the button down, but we're going to do some layering as well. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness. That is phenomenal. I love that. I love it. I'm going to make me a journal with all of this, right? All right, guys. So I'm going to go get buttons, and I'm going to add some buttons right there. I'll be right back for the finale. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of my channel. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoyed today's video, please share my channel with your crafty friends. It helps me to grow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.